Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're gonna be testing Smith & Deepak's hacks. She picked a few of these hacks from other vloggers and suggested them to us, and now I am giving them a try. And I'm gonna tell you that my whole routine, my whole look does look pretty. So like sneak peek, you might give it a shot, I guess. But with all the technicalities, we're gonna need to dive into this makeup hack routine a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna get started, and if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, let's freeze my sponge. I'm gonna water this first. Okay, and I'm gonna freeze it for 1 hour. Ouch. Bye-bye. Guys, it's been 1 hour. Yeah, it's really hard. Well guys, I don't really have much time, honestly. I have a few stuff that I have to accomplish today. That's why I'm gonna be real quick and real brief. First of all, what I really want to try out is a new technique, like 2 different techniques from Smith & Deepak, and she picked this techniques from someone else. And that is the main reason why I've frozen, let's say, this beauty blender before using, and then I'm gonna try a little bit different technique where she's showing how to prevent any creasing in this area. We are gonna see if it's actually possible. Okay, I'm gonna do my regular routine. At first, I would need to apply some sunscreen. I'm heading out to my doctor's appointment. I guess my gastritis is not getting well, and I would need to see a doctor and probably run a few tests. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit of primer. This is from Ordinary. This is the silicone primer. I can't say that I'm in love with this primer. I can't see if there's like any difference if I use this primer or if I don't. Moving to the the first hack, the first technique. My beauty blender it's frozen, and I'm gonna be using today my the Ordinary primer. My Ordinary foundation, and I'm using a little bit of this foundation just because I would apply this technique only for one side. First of all, it's freezing, it's really cold, and it's not really easy to blend out this product. The ice is meeting with my skin, it's warming up, and the moisture from this beauty blender is actually smoothing out foundation. That's why this technique might be really interesting to try out. So far, so good. I really love it. It does feel interesting, actually. Not even interesting, it does feel natural. For my right side, I'm going to be doing a little bit different trick from same Smith & Deepak. She took off some foundation from this side, and then she applied a little bit of primer. I'm not sure if it was like tinted primer, just primer, and then she used some setting spray to set and lock everything in place. I'm gonna do the full face using this technique, just because I kind of know how it's gonna turn out without this technique. I'm gonna complete the rest of my look and show you how I do this part. So for now, I'm cleaning my smiling line, no foundation on. It feels like red. Okay, great. And now I would need a primer. As my normal routine, I'm gonna set the whole face with some fix and spray. And I have my beauty blender to get it everywhere I need. I have no idea. I see no discoloration, and at the moment I guess like my right side doesn't have that much product. That's why it doesn't look cakey or something. And this side it does have some product, but it's not creasing as well. So let me complete my full face, and I'll be right back to share my opinion. Okay guys, so far so good. I can't spot like a huge difference, but here I have like less product. That's why it's not creasing, because we don't really have any product. But there's like no discoloration. That's a great thing. I guess this technique is gonna work out for someone who does know the skin undertone, the perfect matching foundation, because there's gonna be a discoloration if you take off some of the color. But literally so far so good. I really love this technique with the beauty blender, It feels so natural. But that's it for today, guys. I'll see you like in a couple of hours when I'm back from my doctor's appointment. I'm already late, that's why I'll be back and tell you my final thoughts. Guys, so good to be finally back. I'm gonna be showing you what I have over my face. I cannot see any difference because maybe the main reason was that I used some lightweight coverage foundation and it doesn't feel, I don't know, do I have any creasing? Maybe a little bit of creasing in this area, but we don't have anything here. So I'm not sure that this technique is really working because if you have like cakey foundation underneath, I guess it's still gonna come through and it doesn't really matter. Another problem is that if you have some foundation that doesn't match your skin tone, then you might end up with something really crazy, like the whole line of your skin without any foundation. As the second, I'd say that I really love this makeup hack with a frozen sponge. It's really cool. I love the way my foundation does look. I can't say that I have any complaints about my foundation like at all, but it's still really cool. I love it. I do believe that my foundation does look pretty. It's snatched and it's in really good condition. This technique is really good. I really love it. But maybe if you apply full coverage foundation with this technique, it's not going to work for you because full coverage foundations, they start creasing really fast because they're really thick and heavy. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this small trying out different hacks tutorial or makeup look and wear test at the same time. I've been wearing this foundation and this makeup, let's say, hack for about 4 hours. And it's not bad. If it starts creasing, it's gonna start creasing like almost immediately. And I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos. Love you guys. Bye bye.